Let us understand what accounting actually means. In every business organization, hundreds and thousands of financial transactions take place every day. Whenever a business buys goods, sells products, pays salaries, receives cash, pays rent, or purchases machinery, financial data is generated. The role of accounting is to record this financial data properly. However, accounting is not limited to recording only. After recording the transactions, the accountant classifies them into appropriate categories and then summarizes them into a meaningful format. Why is this necessary? Because different users such as management, shareholders, investors, creditors, banks, employees, and government authorities need financial information to make important decisions. Therefore, accounting can be defined as the process of recording, classifying, and summarizing financial transactions into meaningful information for decision-making purposes. The summarized information is generally presented through number 1, profit and loss account, and number 2, balance sheet. The profit and loss account shows the financial performance of the business, while the balance sheet shows the financial position of the business. This is the basic purpose of accounting.